Like most people, I have a few tools and applications that I like to keep handy all the time. I've found it very useful to store icons for those down here on this kicker panel. But PC Linux OS won't let me do that unless I first take the step of unlocking the kicker panel. I do that by right-clicking somewhere on it and click on Unlock Widgets. That allows me to make some changes. For example, now, I like to have a shortcut to the well-known Firefox web browser down here. So I'm going to go find that in the menu system by clicking on PC, Internet. You see this Firefox emblem? I'm going to right-click on that and click on Add to Panel. Going back to my desktop now, that shows the Firefox web browser is right here on my panel, and anytime I want, and it's on all 6 of my desktops as I switch from desktop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see it's always there. If I single click on it, it'll launch that web browser, and that is how we do that. I also like to have a shortcut to the Samba browser. So I go to PC, Internet, SMB4K. This is the tool you use to browse the other PCs on your network to look at their files. If they're using a Windows-style file sharing system, this tool will let you access it. So I'm going to right-click on that and add it to my panel, and then get back to my desktop, and it's right here. This symbol right here represents the SMB4K Samba file share browser, and I can use it to browse the other computers on my network. Take a look at the various options and learn about your kicker panel and all the things you can do with it. You can, for example, reconfigure your clock. Typically, you would right-click on things down here to reconfigure it, to make changes to stuff. I'm not going to bog down in all the details right now, but I do enjoy explaining these principles. I think now's a good time for you to, if you're following along here, to take a look at your kicker panel and your desktop and arrange things to your liking. I always do this early on in my experience with a new PC Linux OS installation.